Let's say with your right foot, you're going to visualize a kind of backward R shape. Okay, so it's going to up in a straight line and then across to your left. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle. Today, people, we have a killer fire footwork skipping tutorial for you. This is mainly for my beginners / intermediate folks. And I want you guys to remember one thing, okay? Footwork is king, and I've said it for years and years on this channel. So before you start learning any of the advanced moves, any of the tricks, before you can get slick and smooth with your ropes, you need to learn how to stay balanced on your feet, okay? Now this drill that I'm about to show you is gonna teach you that, okay? So remember, before you get started with anything with skipping, go hit our links down below, check our website. We've got the most in-demand skipping ropes on the planet. Today I'm using the Money Rope 2.0, aka the Money Rope Performance. We're also available on local Amazons as well. So check it all out. Let's get 2 minutes on the clock, Mr. Nathan, on the edit, and we're gonna get straight into this, okay? So this drill, guys, is gonna teach you how to stay balanced on one leg, okay? And it's gonna be really good for your agility, balance, of course, your coordination, and start to build around the muscles kind of around your knees. That's gonna help you stay balanced, stay kind of in posture. And what you're gonna do is with the foot that's kind of gonna be bouncing up like here, we're gonna start to touch around the floor in front of us, okay? And we're gonna now visualize, let's say with your right foot, you're gonna visualize a kind of backward R shape, okay? So it's gonna up in a straight line and then across to your left. And then with your left foot, when you start doing your left foot, you're gonna touch out in front of you and go to your right-hand side. So it's gonna look this shape, all right? So hopefully it makes sense. We're gonna get some visualizations on the screen. But what you wanna do is when you get your rope, I want you to start kind of practicing bouncing on one leg, all right? This is something that I, again, talk about all the time on this channel. And what you're gonna do is just gonna touch your toe just in front here with this right leg, okay? So you're just touching now, right? All the weight, all the kind of pressure is going on your left foot. You're gonna stay on the balls of your feet. I'm just gonna change feet right now, okay? We're just touching. And then from here, you're now just gonna touch out in front of you. Just one, all right? One. That's the first kind of bit of the shape. And then we're gonna go to our left-hand side or kind of to our left. So it's gonna go one. And then back to that point. So one. Okay, so we're making that little shape that I showed you on the screen. Then you're gonna go to your left foot and you're gonna go forward and then to the right and same again. And what you should actually start to hear, right, is the sound of this rope kind of clicking, same tempo, same kind of speed, and that's gonna give you guys that feedback that you're doing this right. If you're kind of all over the place with your balance, again I'm kind of exaggerating it, but if you're kind of here, you clip your toe, it's not good, man. if you're kind of off balance and you're just trying to fight with the rope, that's when you know you're not really balanced, you're not engaging your core. And skipping is always about not only footwork, but also engaging that core, really good posture. So you want to get to a point where you can kind of do this with your eyes closed, right? So you're just touching away, making this little shape, forward, and then across your body, forward, across your body. And then you can kind of then speed it up, and it should make a really nice kind of tapping sound. And then you know you're kind of in balance and your footwork is nice and slick. So very quick one, guys. 2 minutes, probably went over it a little bit, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up as always. I just want to say thank you again. This is now the first official proper tutorial with our cool backdrop, cool setup. Let me know your feedback, man. Let me know if you guys are liking the audio, the angles, the sounds. We've got Nathan back in the house as well helping. So got more fire content coming for you. So hit the subscribe button and join us, guys. We are taking over cardio and fitness, and it's incredible to see what you guys are doing back home. Keep tagging us on your Instagram videos. Keep sending us like your cool messages. And yeah, thank you for all the motivation. So I'll see you in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.